Alright, so now I'm going to add the controls. So it's going to be in the update near this update. So the update function will be pretty simple. So just to separate drawing with the logic. Hopefully my mouse and my keyboards aren't too loud. I'm sorry. So okay, yeah. So I can move to first I need a cursor. It will be some global variable here. X and Y. And basically it will be if this is the channel, technically is selected and the node, so it will be the row, and then it's the individual components inside the row. So we can do next. So if channel equals 0, this is channel equal technically 1, but the way we draw, it doesn't have any idea where it is. So a simple way would be to tell it here. So to tell the node directly where it is. If that makes sense. So channel and the row. There. And so now I can do channel 0, row I. The same there with 1, 2, and 3. So now we want to let's write it in different color. It will be simpler. I can also do the background, color, etc. But just to see how it works. So if first off we want to know if the color mode, because I don't want to check if channel here, then row here, and check component index. So we're going to do, let's rename it. And put inside its own structure. So there we go. So now it won't be a mess. Let's maybe initialize music 0 dot it's not in Visual Studio dot row 0 component 0, and now we do int colors equal to 0 if channel is equal to cursor channel, and row is equal to cursor.row, then colors equal to 1. And now we can do if colors and component equal 0, printf. Let's do it in what color? I think this is yellow. Yellow, and otherwise there's grid to default color. This, and then I do the check. So I cannot do the check here. I need to do the check before. There we go. That wouldn't make sense otherwise. That here, 1 and 2, and there it's the same. Copy the condition. Another 1, and this one is 1. Now I didn't check if it works. Okay, it's pretty simple. Oops. Oopsies. Alright. Where is component? Oh yes, cursor.components. I should have a maybe macro check component, and I do check components or color, and it does basically this code. There we go. Right. Check if this. It also assumes colors exist. So yeah. We always have. I don't plan to use that anywhere else. And if I use that anywhere else, I just set int colors equal 1, and it will do the fix. Still did not check if it works, but I know it will. Like if it doesn't, I wouldn't understand. But it should. Oh, it was magenta, but at least it works. It works, and it looks great on the black background. So now the cursor movement. Yeah, the cursor movement. So I can have since I don't want to define this outside of the function, I'm going to put it as static. Or do I need to? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. So in T, because this is important. This is a technique, so I don't have like infinite. The moment I start pressing down, does it go playing? Key down, rest, 0, key up, rest, key right. I can put it in. I should. Space. Can I? Does Boolean exist in C? Sometimes not, sometimes it does. I don't. I never get it. So if it's gonna be this from that. If we got down, then if not already pressed, we set it to 1. And we do cursor dot row. So now if I check, it will work. And you can see I can keep it down, it doesn't go flying. Let's do up. Right. So right and left is a bit different. Right, let's do right first. So basically, if the channel is a square channel, then we need to wait until we reach component 3, which doesn't exist, to wrap to 0. So we can increment the channel. So if channel goes 0 or channel 1, then we do something, and else we do something else. Technically, I can just do this here, and I need to check if component, if we're in the channel, we want to check. We can do this component. To right. Cursor.component. Is the Mac okay? So it works. It wraps. Now we need to increment channel. Since we do the modulo before, oh yeah, wait. It's supposed to be greater than the amount of component we want. So wait. If we do cursor.channel plus equal this divided by 2 and this divided by 3. There we go. This doesn't break out fully because we don't have right, otherwise it would break, I guess. So now we need to check if we need to whatever. Let's do key left. If we trespass, we can just go back minus. If component is less than 0, is it an integer? I think it's an integer. Then channel. Oh, we need to know which. Okay, channel plus channel minus. And if this, we need to know which. Wait, we can do this. Because 0, then component is equal to 2. Other component is equal to 1. So now equals 2. So now, okay, what does yep, like this. So doesn't go back. Left. Component minus minus. Channel minus minus. Wait, when I go so I need to place this here. Okay, we got cursor movement pretty easily. So, oh, I cannot go up. What have I done? Alright, so we got full cursor movement. I hope the resolution isn't too bad. I cannot zoom in. Oh god. Does it work? Oh my gosh. How do I? I don't know what happened. I've seen video, but I tried to zoom in. So now what I need to do is to have keyboard components, keyboard inputs, so I can write the notes. Cursor movement and component modification. So what I can do is well, how do I write 100 then? Because it's supposed to be volume. We'll need to expect three inputs, like space 1 0. So like space 1 0 for 10 or space 50. Yeah. So if I'm writing, then I need a write mode. The write mode, and when I type and I'm in the write mode, I expect, for example, 3 values. Does it make sense? Well, let's say that let's say that I just take me easy input. If I'm here and I press 5, I'm going to have a 5. If I go, then it is not in write mode, so it won't increment. Like kind of like this. Wait. You see? There I can write 5 0 0 6, and it will increment like this. This is the idea. But how? Basically, I need to make that write mode is not set. If I move, basically, if I press this, I go here, not 0, because I'm not in the same component anymore. So it shouldn't do that when I go to the next. For example, I'm on. So, for example, this one is the pulse channel duty cycle. I don't want that when I go to the volume and I press something, it shifts. Like, it wouldn't make sense. It needs to stop at 100. So I just need to do 0. Easy. Now, There are two ways I can get the input. First one is the get a sign get a sync key state, and the second one is via the standard input. I think I'll go with maybe the standard input seems the standard the simplest. Yeah, I'll go with it. So I have a project. This is a simple edit program I wrote. In there I have this function, which is called stdin as input, as data. So it uses the Windows function peek named pipe to check if there is something inside stdin. So for example, for instance, I just use it here because if I just use get c stdin, it might freeze the program and I won't be able to leave. What I can do is so I won't do the notes right now. Maybe I can, because the notes are just numbers. Notes are just numbers, so it won't be the best. Yeah, it isn't easy. Like, I'd rather write a number than having to memorize where the keys are in my keyboard, because it doesn't make sense. So, so. I can do music, pattern, 0. Oh, I need to get the channel. So I can, since the channel just notes like this, I can have a function called note get channel with the channel index. And I can place it there. Where is update? There we go. So now, if channel equals 0, return music dot patterns 0 dot equals 1. We have the same try noise and else, and here's the script to return no. So I can do get channel note like this, cursor channel and channel, the note is going to be cursor at row, and the component. So I need to do get component. And should I have a get note, get component? Like do like get component like that. I do this equal oh, what the, did I do that? something like this. As something like this. It's really okay. So should I do this? So get component from the node. So either I get like one function that does it all. I do get channel, get node is equal to channel. Wait, channel node is just channel. So I can get component channel cursor dot row. Yeah. And I do this. Like, yeah. So, int, this is a node because I need to, the reason I get the pointer to a node is like cascade. This is the address from this. It's like if this is an address and it's like I did +4. This is basically what I do. So I just want to have if. So since it's the same node, I can do if component equals 0, return node key. If component equal 1, 2, this, I return the, oh wait, it's mixed up. Because, oh, I need to change, or if I do this, I need to change the order because the duty, because the volume, I want the volume to be at the end. But if I don't want to have the object mix like this, I will need volume and duty at the end. Yeah, I just type if type equals 0. Well, type is base. Yeah, just because this way it's more. If I want to have a channel that I have something more, at least I don't need to like break the logic even more, do something weird. So it's okay. It's okay. Take 1, return this, return no. So I don't do checks right now because 8 is okay. Like it is okay. It will be cursor dot component, and the type is because the thing is why I use channel type is because maybe I could change the type. So this is a better way. Int get channel type. So right now this is the logic of the function. We'll just check the channel index, but it will just, I would just need the channel channel.type. If 0 or channel 1 and 0, otherwise return 1. This I have no idea if this works, but it should completely work. Wait. What is it? Oh, wait, what? Why no happy? Oh yeah, because it's, oh yeah, it's different. I remember. Was it unsigned or not? By the way, unsigned. Maybe we'll do version, so sure. Oops. Now write mode. It's going to be static. And once I type something, wait. Only if, wait, just let's put it like this. There you go. So if I press 1, wait, what the hell? Alright, so what just happened? I have no idea. Oh, yeah, I have no idea. I think it just wrote to no, but I have no idea what just happened. I mixed it up. Component channel type. Yes, I did. Pretty hard to see. No, just what is my problem? So 1, 1, 1. Why? Yeah, 1. Because I'm using this, of course. So I need a buffer. So yeah, this is the buffer, but I need it to be different. I need it to it should be outside. And so when I type, if write mode is equal to 0, now I do write buffer 0 equal this. So it's, wait. Technically, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, so yeah. Yes. So now write mode equal 1. Maybe I need, because I can have write mode, but maybe what I really need is the position where I write. So I want to write 151. I have the buffer. This is let's use ABC so I can use 0 for no terminator. So if I write A like this, it will be rendered as A like this. So now I go to the next B 0, and it renders as a B like this. Pretty weird, but I can do this. So instead of write mode, I use write index, and I reset the index. So if index, so I don't need this, because yeah, I don't need this now. I can do write buff. So if ch is greater or equal than 0 and ch is smaller or equal than 9, I do write buff. Wait, so I need to do, in case this fails, I need to do if write buff 0. Wait, what the? Yeah, there we go. So I can do right index. Oopsie. Right index is equal to th. Right index plus 1 is equal to null terminator. And I need to do that if what happens if I write too much? It shouldn't take inputs, right? So if right index is smaller than 3, 0, 1, 2. 3. Let me do this. I have no idea if this works. I have no idea I have no idea. It should, but I have no idea. Wait, what the? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. Why do I have 4 there? 2. Okay. Wait, what? 1, 2. I don't have anything. 1, 2, 3. I don't have anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. You right. I have the 4 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Wait, what? Um, 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 uh, should I do this? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, what? No. Wait. Because this happens when I have something like, wait. The thing is, wait, how do I empty a thing? How to empty SDN? How to clear SDN? Okay, so while is different than this. Okay, so I sewed that online. Here to the in. Apparently you can't flush it, which kind of makes sense, but doesn't. At the same time, I prefer using this. And if I do right, here at the in. So 1, 2. Wait, what? No. It's just stuck. I think I'm going to use some Windows functions for that. Let me first find it again. So, because I had this problem earlier, not today, but earlier, I found a solution that uses Windows again. So I have no idea why it acts. I know why it acts like this, but why? Why though? Alright, so while this so what was it? Available is a D word. Don't say the D word. Bruh. So available, and I do read file. So read file links. Read file. There we go. This. So we got the handle, the buffer where we are going to read, which is I used this size toggle. Bytes to read. For size of buffer. Bytes read. Double word. Right, and this can be null. Normally, this is supposed to work. So just to be sure, we want to write available. So we want to read, available is equal to if available is smaller than size of buffer, then it will be available. Otherwise, the size of the buffer. Hopefully it works. So let's see. Please. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. Yeah, why? Oh man. Maybe. I think I have an idea. Wait. Maybe I didn't check it really well. Yeah, I didn't even call this function. So let's try again. Oh god. Ugh. Wait, I'm not too close anymore. I forgot. So has this ever been solved? Simply read data until you see line break or EOF end of file. That's the first thing I tried. why wouldn't it work? Like if I do this and go to the right, why wouldn't it work? Why wouldn't it work? So I guess you know what? Maybe it's on my end. Maybe I missed something. Oh shit. Maybe I missed something. So what if I just what if I'm just careful? What if maybe I don't try to break like this and I just wrap it again? Yeah, wait, wait. So what? Yeah, so what if I just is equal to plus 1 modulo 3? $200. Yippee! Yeah, I'll just do this. But why is the 200? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6 equals 200. Plus 1. Maybe it's because maybe it's because I do. Am I out of the buffer? Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 8. Yeah. Am I out of the buffer? So if I do 0, 1, 2, I don't know how you get 200. Oh yes, I know how you get 200 because it's a byte. It's a character. Then go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is too big to fit. So why not 250, 256, 255? I don't know. But I think it works. So yeah, let's check for the keys. So see if I do 1, 2, 3, I get D10, which is too big. Whatever. At least it works. I can write things, which is pretty great. Now what I would like is if I press wait, what? I have a function. Wait, whatever. I have a, so what I would like is if I press escape. So if ch, this is what happens if we have something great. We do int component comp, and we do component with this. If we have a number, with this, but if ch is equal to 0 to b, we do component is equal to key break. If I have space, which is I think 20, key none. Let's see. So I can do 1, 2, 3. I can do space. I can do escape. Oh, it quits. I forgot. Let's use. Now I can do break. I can do 35. Do 36. Wait, what? 35. Wait. 35. 36. How? 5. 4. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, it's a. Oh my god. Sorry. It's no install on. 7, 8. There we go. Now the duty cycle 50, the volume 100, and now I can play some melody and go into the break. So now that we have this, the nice thing would be to play the audio. I don't know if I'll do this right now, but I kind of want to. Actually. So the way we're going to do the playing will be that instead of highlighting the whole line, I'm just going to have an arrow here that goes down. Pretty simple. So so I have this. I have right there 6, 8, 8. So 40. We want. I don't have the habit of pressing escape, even though I'm not +++. Oh yeah, cool. Even though it's like Vim, but I don't know. I don't use Vim. I used it just once. Like so not often. All right, cool. Yeah, so I do like escape, then Control S, which I don't even do the escape this like Vim. Just do Control S for some reason. Now that we can play, we want the pointer. Jeez. So if int playing start play, do I want playing? And oh wait, I want the pointer actually. The struct pointer. Why I create a struct is because I want to have a numbers of frames for the note to be playing. Until the number of frames until I do the next note. Then I do the row. And I want to keep some information. The thing is, when I play, as you can see, I can change the volume, the duty cycle, and the volume like this for note. But if I change the note after that, like 38 and 30 and 40, I want the duty cycle and the volume to remain the same. So what I do, does it work here? Yeah, it works. So what I do is that I keep per channel information, which is usually just the volume, but also the duty cycles and the volumes for the pulse channels. Is that what I want? I think yes. Yes. Because yeah. Yeah. Duty 1. Oh, yeah, duty 2. Channel info. Maybe I need channel info. No? Channel info. Will channel info make sense here? Yeah, it's channel state. Yeah, I guess. So I can get the duty, the volume, channel state, and I should state. And now I can have the pointer. So when I start playing, I want the row to be 0. So I have the melody speed, so it's the speed of the melody, not the pointer speed. Update pointer. The pointer itself, technically is not the pointer, but how it is, it's the pointer that plays the audio. So so what I'm going to do is make that pointer rows. So pointer. But I never wrote this kind of project. It's actually pretty cool. Plus is equal to. I actually never wrote a tracker in my life. It's pretty simple. Modulo. I draw only 10, so I need to put that inside the viewport. It's not. It's supposed to be the full height, but I don't want to draw too much. 16 is enough. So pointer to row like this. This 7 plus pointer.row. Now like this. Like this. Cool. It's right there. So pointer.frames plus plus, and if pointer.frames is bigger, technically, yeah, the bigger the speed, the faster it should go. So I need to rename that. It's how do I wait? Like music wait. Yes, let's call it wait. And pointer, music doesn't have pointer. So let's initialize the music and do music that wait is equal to 4 to 5 frames. Is equal to is greater than music dot wait. Then we increment and pointer frames will be equal to can you hear me? Yes, so pointer frames will be equal to 0. Cool. Let's put it to 10 frames. Yep. Do 15. Okay. Oh wait, okay. So now this is where we do the playing. Technically we do before. Wait, what? So wait. Should we we usually prefer to have the logic at one place, but if we start playing, frames is equal to 0 or frames is equal to and row is equal to 0 to -1. Yeah, that's logical. That makes sense. That makes sense. For one frame it will disappear. So if I press return, which is enter, then I do playing is equal to 1. Playing this because I want to toggle on off. Pause if I want to pause. And I do pointer frames is equal to -1. Wait, no. Pointer dot row -1 is equal to music dot read. And I want to draw the pointer only if we are drawing. If you are playing, oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Oh wait, what the? Okay, so it seems like even though I do this and the playing like pointer frames to wait. Oh wait, press 1. No, I do update pointer. This. And I should do if playing. Alright, so How? What? Why? Wait, what? I put enter this, then escape, and it works. I press, need to press it 50 times. I don't get it. Oh wait, because enter isn't enter it yeah, I don't even, no, I don't use it. Like what? Wait, so playing is equal to 0, right? So now it's equal to 1. I do frame plus 1. Then I do frames equal to frame minus 1, so it's minus 1 plus 1. What am I doing wrong? Should I have it after? Because I cannot move now. I need to press escape. So I guess it might be because it did it in. What if I use what could I use? What could I use? Because I don't, you know what? I think the best way would just be to do and put that here, there. Ch is equal to, I guess it's slash, it's, how do you say slash? N. Like, I need to press it once, I cannot move. I can't even move my other keys for some reason. Press enter, I cannot move the other keys. To repress enter, I can move the other keys. I don't get it. What does enter do? What does enter do? What does it block my keys? Wait, let me check something. It's not in the demos, by the way. I just place it here, but I'll remove it. So, oh, I can keep it. I can keep it actually. So wait. Let's do. Rectangles was the old name. What the? No, look at this. Is it the not wait a second. I need to do some. Oh wait! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Sorry. I need to do some checking on this. So the oh yeah wait. Wait. Oh. Huh? Yeah. First off, this is a problem. How can wait whatever. So now the second problem is when I press enter that I can now try to debug. If I press enter, it doesn't break. I can still press Q. Wait, what does Q? Wait, what? Why enter Q plus enter is equal to M plus N? What? Why is enter magic? Like, why does enter have this magic? What? Is enter broken? I have no idea. I genuinely don't know. Genuinely don't know. Alright, so let's have another, like, okay, I guess. I'm really surprised. I'm really surprised. I need to fix this, but I just don't understand. I don't understand. It's so weird. I don't have the. Yes. It's so weird. I don't understand. But maybe I hope P will work. I really wonder if you can see it. Alright, so P works. Alright, so I'm just too surprised that I can't. Alright, so okay. Alright. So now the playing. Play the note. This will be easy part. Because in the violet, violet, move point. I can do easy audio. And this is like easier audio because I don't have to load samples. So here I have nothing. I have this code, yes. So now what I can do is the error C channel 0, because right now it's going to be channel 0, but I need to process individual channels. So the type is going to be square pulse. Then we need I need the frequency. So note to frequency. On Wikipedia they like there's this article. Basically it goes from A minus 1, what? Oh, so normally it's 0, it's A, like this. Oh, wait a second. How do you even, because, so knowing that, maybe I can use, so C0 is this. It's not a normal number, it's not normal. A number like this. I can still use it. Like I'm looking for something. So okay, so the thing is when we go from A4 to A5, we do times 2. Here we do times 2. Here we divide by 2 again and again. And between those, there are 12 notes. So frequency is going to be this. Technically, you can times times 2 the power of the not the notes. But the thing is, we don't start at like at 4 at this value. These are all these are approximation that comes from this calculation. So how can we do this? So technically we can go back because that's what we're doing, right? No, we're not going back. So A0 is key 49. I guess if the 0 there is 1, so if we do -1, because our first note is C0. So what if we do 49 plus 1, so it's 0 plus 7. So it goes 57. So we do work. Oh my gosh. So oh my god. Okay. Music dot channel. Oh wait. Patterns 0 dot plus 1 row point key minus 57, and we need to, since there are 12, I need to divide it by 12. I don't know. So now the next is the volume. I can do pointer dot state. So it was pointer state 0 dot volume. So pointer dot state 0 volume. And we need to modify it if it's not equal to none. So we're just going to put it as 100 right there. I can still do the thing. You know what? Yeah, I'll do this one. But I'll do I'll modify them. But not right now. Yes, right just after that. The volume, then we add the duty cycle. Is that correct? Type, frequency, volume, there we go. So now I can do frequency, volume, and duty. The Call of Duty. Now we need to update date. So if I should really get the note. Note note is equal to this. If note.volume is different than key none, volume is equal to note.volume. And the same for the duty. No, just kidding. This. All right, so now I need to play the note, but what if it says break? So if note dot key is equal to key break, else if note dot key is different than key none, I play the key, play the note. Otherwise, if it's break, then I use the release command to stop the audio. Alright, so I don't know if it's going to work first way. I'll check. Note that volume is dot vol. And it's point, but it's pointer. And I can do not dot key here. Still pointer. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to do so 6 oops. Look. Oh yeah, it's 40. Ooh. There we go. And break. Now I just keep it and break. It doesn't play. Why? Oh yeah, I don't have the volume. I don't have the volume yet. So let's do it 50. No, 100. So let's try. Wait. So please be careful. Let's go. It works. So now I can change the duty cycle. So I can play it. 6, 75, 40. Oh wait, this and this 3. So 40 and 3. And I can do it's really hard to remember this with this time 25, 40 and 3 and break. Let's go, it works. I'm so proud. So yeah, I have the first. I can change the volume too. So let's do this. Oh, oh, it doesn't stop. I'll fix that just after. So I can do 50, 25. It's good, it works. That's so cool, that's so cool. Wait, that's so cool, that's so cool. I hope I'm not too loud because since I'm going back and forth, I like how my chair moving sometimes. I hope I'm not too loud or not too quiet. But it works. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So then uh, um, yeah, I need to fix the issue. If playing, playing, then oops. Then I mute all the channels. Just I just release them. All right. So now I need to do the same for all the channels, all the different channels. So what I do is that I cycle through all the channels. So for in I equals 0, I is less than 4 plus I. What I do is that I get this. I don't get this, I just do this. And I can do need to do get channel. Channel equal to get channel. That's coming clutch. Hopefully I use this. Oh, I don't. It's so easy. Just get channel like this. I can just. There you go. So I channel going channel. No. Yeah. And basically, if get channel type of I is equal to 1 to 0, I do this. It's the same, so I just need to do this. Else, for all the other channels, I do differently. The thing is that technically I have more types. The channel 2 isn't 2 for the triangle or noise. Yes, I need to modify some stuff. Empty type 0. And basically this, I can leave it right there. And this one I can change it back to 0. And so type, how I get type, is by doing 0 if I is equal to 2, which is triangle, type is going to be equal to, what is triangle? Wait a second. 1. If it's equal to 3, then it's noise, which is 3. Will it work? So I want the channel state to go back to 0. So go like this. I don't have weird things I'll show you. Now it's all muted. If I change or remove everything, it will be muted. Which is nice. Because the jury, maybe, why not? Alright, so let's try it out. Let's try the let's try the triangle. This is the volume. This is the note. 6. I can't hear it. But this one, can I hear this one? Oh wait. I wonder. I Alright, so now if I do 136, why? What is that? It doesn't play normally. Is it because what? Wait, so it should go there. To this, 0, this, and this. So what could possibly be the problem? Maybe it's the stick. Maybe. All right, so I just did a little break. So let's go back. What's the problem? What was the problem? Let's retry. So do something. Wait, this is too low. 50. Where did it go? It doesn't advance anymore, which is bad. So why it not happy? I don't get. I don't understand. Just turn down on me like we don't know. Because when it stays on the same thing, it glitches weirdly, then it continues normally. You get what I mean? So maybe it's trying to play the same note over and over. Because yeah, it's trying to play the same note over and over. I think so. I advance is equal to 0. And if yes, so if you go there, then advance equal 1. And if advance to that, I can put it inside the same local code actually. It'd be like go big. This is why I should have the logic of this somewhere else. Process row or play row. No. All right. So again, 56. Oh, 65. Oh, what the? 65. What am I? 50, I think it's 65. So, alright, alright. So let's try clear that up. Alright. Let's try this one. Yes, it works. Alright, nice, 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 nice. Doesn't change the notes, just yes, it works. So what if I have 100 but nothing to play? You don't play anything. Now let's try to have some kind of chords. So 36. I think it, yeah, 36. Escape. 36. So I cannot play too much with two hands, two leads, but okay. We can do a little. How do you call chords with two notes? Is a dyad, so we'll say it's called dyad like this. Jesus chord? What the? Wait. What is the Jesus chord? Jesus is some gospel maybe. So I can play the 40th note, break 40. Now I can do. What can I wait? Let me look. Oh no. All right. So it is 45, 46. So it is 45. 35 I meant. And now it's 36. So it's 38. Oh, I need to shift that. How? Oh, dun, 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 dun. I would. Wait. Hmm. 38. I guess. Let's add one more weight, maybe. And now, oh, I don't have enough. Yeah. Now, can I have some bass? So we start with this. So we have this is the piano, by the way. I don't quit. But if I press P, you're going to play because I didn't do stuff. No. Yeah. Does that fit? Na, 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 na. Yeah, maybe. I'm going music mode. Um. mm, 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 and now, mm, 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 mm. No, we don't hear French. We don't hear the and to speak English, so more people can understand. So we don't hear. You don't hear. Yeah, it's very quiet, very quiet. So now I just need the break here. It's very, very loud. How can it be that loud for real? Can I do uh, some of this? Pretty fun. So a bit loud. So just cut this one at the 4. Don't call me to make music. Um, that's pretty fun. That is fun. That is fun. So I'm just going to. So I wanted to add something. Where was that again? Yeah. So just some things. First off, here for the inputs. I need to get the Windows handle. So video. Right there. Oh, I already get the handle. Sweet. So now I can check that if get foreground window is equal to my window, I allowed this, and same for the one. I think now that I fixed the thing, I can just put that back up here. Normally, if I press P on my piano here, yep. And the second thing I want to add is when I cannot do it because when I type a note, I never know when it's done. It's not like one press, so I cannot, doesn't work, unfortunately. Yeah, so next time maybe I'll add maybe next time I'll add more patterns so they can loop. Have a way to change the speed, maybe, and a little bit more. So see, so also saving and loading the music, so so I don't have to redo it or lose it. Yep. So it was really fun to make this application. It was really fun to. It's so cool. Like I can just. It's so easy to write. So easy to write. I can literally change this. Wait. How how would 100% look? Yeah, no, of course. 99. That's so cool. So until next time, bye bye, and thank you for watching this video.